Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to read the images and resize the image. So let's take one image, read the image. Okay, here you have to pass your image path. So I will read this image 1.jpg and print the display image property, calls and rows. You can see image width and height. Now let's resize the image. So just simply call the resize function. Here pass your image. Also you can take one image, destination image, pass your destination image here and size. So let's resize the image 500 by 500. Okay, now let's print the resized image data. So you can see. Now let's write the resized image. CV I am right. Image.bmp and pass your destination image here. You can see the resized image, and this is the original image, and that is the dimension. And after resize you can see the new values 500 by 500. So as per your need you can resize your image. Let's change the again and run the application. So you can see the image. I changed the width value and you can see the image according to it. So please drop your comment if you have any question about image resizing, and please like my video if you like it, and thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and share the with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.